tell you what, let's get a little bit different today, okay? I'm glad you're here with me, and let's go on over to the easel, and I'll show you the beginnings of the surprise we're going to do. I'll meet you there. And here we are. Hey, can we get kind of fun? I mean, just kind of creative today, and just step away from the norm a little bit. I think that would be a fun thing to do. Okay, I'm going to throw some really bright yellow right there. Okay, we're going to just take it on down there, just like that. Now, we're going to come around the outside of that with some that isn't quite as bright, but we're going to touch it. We're going to let it play in there. Okay, we'll just bring it right straight down to just like that. Okay, we're gonna fuzz the edge of it. Okay, because I got a little more yellow, a little bit darker yellow, just like that. Okay, we'll just kind of fuzz this out around here. We'll bring that down, everything going straight down. Now we're going to come into some, yeah, almost a yellow ochre, almost, but it isn't quite. Okay, we're just going to roll that right across, just like this, so that we've got a variation of color. Okay, and we're going to just have some fun with this painting. All right, so be with me tomorrow, and believe it or not, we're actually going to do some more work and make this thing start appearing like we want it to appear. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how we're doing. Hit that notification bell to get all notifications. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. All righty then. I told you things are going to be a little bit different this time. It's going to turn into a nice painting, though, I promise you. So be with me tomorrow, and we'll work some more on it. And remember that Ann and I, we both love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.